Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add PEAQ Network in MetaMask wallet. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open the MetaMask app on your device. When you open the app, you will be asked to enter your wallet password. Once your wallet is unlocked, scroll down and you will see this popular network option. Tap on it and MetaMask will display a list of all the networks currently configured in your wallet. To add a new network, tap on Custom from here, and then select the option that says Add a Custom Network. This will open a form where you can enter the details of the PEAQ network. Now, start by entering the network name type PEAQ so that you can easily recognize this network later in your list of networks. After that, move to the next field where you need to enter the RPC URL. The RPC URL connects your MetaMask wallet to the PEAQ network, allowing communication between the wallet and the blockchain. Next, you will need to enter the chain ID. This is a numeric identifier that distinguishes the PEAQ network from other blockchain networks. After that, fill in the currency symbol field. Finally, you will see a field for the Block Explorer URL. While this field is optional, it is highly recommended to include it. Once you have entered all the required details correctly, tap on the Save button. MetaMask will now add the PEAQ network to your wallet. You can switch to this network anytime from the network list whenever you want to interact with assets on the PEAQ network. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add PEAQ network in MetaMask wallet. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.